My friends are putting the steel frame ready for the cement. They're really hard working. They start at 6 o'clock in the morning. Owner is Steve Cox, and he has a few projects. Anyway, he's a foundation guy. He inherited the business from his dad. Now his son Steven works here too. Right. They really do great work. Yeah, see. Everybody seems like so experienced too. You got a guy, Jerry. His nickname is Chappie. Has been working for Steve's dad even, like 40 years already, and then worked for Steve too when he took over the company from his dad. So anyway, hard-working people. They're from Buffalo, Missouri. It's just 20 miles away from here. Yeah. So also you can see the housing building so sophisticated. It's a lot of management, a lot of division of labor. You know, it's quality assurance. It's just coordination and process. Steve is on the phone all the time. You have to really contact all these different people from, the city surveyor to, inspector, electricity, water. So everything must be coordinated before a house, can be built, finished. It's a lot of work. It's a great, business project for building a house. You probably get hundreds of people involved, directly, indirectly. Yeah, so it's just so amazing. This guy did very, hard work. A lot of science too is all based on measurement, because you cannot put the house on the wrong dimension. Everything has to go according to the plan. Yeah. The blueprint. Yeah, look at that. So this is our beautiful neighborhood. All the houses will be built here. So two new ones are right now. I know everybody in this neighborhood. Yeah, that house is for sale. So, yeah, the noise of business, the noise of money making, the noise of the economy. That's how America is built. Hard work and innovation and resilience is all by hard work. So beautiful. Oh, Jerry's cutting some steel thing. Yep, for the big cutter. Yep, today's Friday, July 7th. It's about 6:30 now. Thank you for watching. This is Dr. VD from Bolivar, Missouri. I know everybody in the crew. I know David, I know Steven, I know Cole, I know Chase, I know the boss. One person is missing, Dalton is not here today.